learning how to make mashed potato. First we'll put 4 mashed potatoes. Then we'll add some Amul butter to this paste. We'll use the butter lavishly. For seasoning, we are adding some salt, some pepper, and then we are going to mix it again and make it like a smooth paste. We'll add some milk in it and then mix it again and make it really smooth. Then some fresh cream and just mix everything very gently and make it into a nice smooth paste. You see, it has become like a good paste. So our mashed potato is ready. Now we'll switch off the gas and just serve it.